Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting one. As you can see by the title, it's makeup experiment. So I'm not a makeup guru. I don't know much. Basically, I don't know anything about makeup, and so I just decided, you know what, today I am gonna do a sort of makeup experiment, play around with makeup here and there with a few items that I have, which are basically not even much, and yeah, see how it turns out. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe if you're new here, and yeah, comment below if you've ever done, something like this, or basically how was your first time experimenting with makeup, how did it turn out, and yeah, all that. So yeah, I'm gonna mention the products that I have, and yeah, which are basically not much, as I've said, and hope you have fun with me. And yeah, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and yeah, welcome on board. Let's get right into it. So of course, I have foundation, which is a necessity if you are starting makeup or you are getting into makeup. The first thing I was told to buy is like foundation. Then I've got to have primer. Then I need to have like a sponge, blended sponge, that's what they call it. And then eyeliner, mascara, basically it. And yeah, I don't know how to do my eyebrows, so we're gonna leave that part out, okay? And then yeah, I was able to get like a palette of like different color eyeshadows. So the first thing that I always see that people do is, take their primer and then basically explain the brand or whatsoever that they do. But yeah, this is LA girl, and yeah, oh guys, like her of things, ne? Shame. Woo, this should be fun. So okay, yeah, I have my mirror here, so I'm just gonna because personally I feel like makeup is a whole job on its own. Like the way the people do their eyebrows, and then like I just feel like it's a whole job on its own. That's why they have like makeup classes and those things. And by the way, how much primer does one put on their face? Like should like put till you feel like I've put something, but I've seen people just put like a little bit on it and all that. So yeah, the primer is on. Look guys. So I'm gonna take my foundation. Yeah, I see people always put it here, so I'm gonna just, and I never know how much of foundation like to take, so like I don't care, I'm still learning, so I don't know. So yeah. Okay, let me just use my mirror instead of the camera. Like I always feel when I see people like put it all over their face, like I feel like sometimes it's too much, but then I wait for them to finish, then you realize, wow, like it's perfect. Like it just came out really perfect. So yeah, let's try and see. Forehead gag, you know what I'm saying? Guys, this is funny to me because like I don't really know much about makeup, and I don't have a lot of makeup items, so, and I haven't done this on camera before or anything like that, simply because I don't know much about makeup. And yeah, it's basically the perfect time when we're all at home to upgrade your makeup skills and whatnot. So yeah. Yo, how exactly do you like? Should I like press, like press it on, or just smooth? Yeah, I like to cover. I heard another thing like about foundation, it covers your black spots and everything, and I have like sort of black spots on my neck because yeah, I sometimes sort of shave, girl problems and whatnot. So yeah. Okay, it's coming out well. It's coming out well. Guys, you know, like people put like 5 to 6 to 10 products on their face, and I'll always be like, Meanwhile, I just got like what, one product. I don't even have what they call highlighter. What's this? Concealer, contour powder. What? Like, even if I'm to go to a makeup shop, I wouldn't know like which one is good, what to buy. Oh, guys, I think I need to sign up for some makeup classes, ne? I really think I need to do so. Ooh, it's coming out well. There's one thing I love about foundation, you know, it gives you that touch, a little bit touch, so it works for me. I just need, ooh, Jesus fits my eyebrows, ne? Yeah. Almost done here. And here. Yes, guys. I'm excited to try the like eyeshadow. I haven't tried it before, so like I'm excited to like try it. It actually looks nice, you know, like I am the girl. Ooh. It actually really looks nice. I like it. Yes, guys, make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and if you're new here, welcome on board. Okay, there's still like a little bit left here, so I don't know if am I supposed to like finish everything or I don't know. Let's see. Alright guys, the only thing I really need to learn how to do is my eyebrows. So basically I just brush them because I still don't know how to do my eyebrows. Guys. Let's put on some eyeliner. Which do you put first? Do you put the eyeliner first, then the eyeshadow, or you put the eyeshadow first, then the eyeliner? Well, since I don't know, I'm gonna put my eyeliner first, then the eyeshadow. Let's just close this out. I sort of want like a people. They describe what they want, yeah. So me, I sort of want like a natural look. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's just, oopsie, I don't know how to like hold my mirror down since I'm using like the palette mirror. Okay, let's just see how that will go. Guys, it's like a whole career on its own, yeah? It's not for everyone. I don't know, I want it to like be dark, so let me try just. You know, one day I'm gonna learn how to do the wing as well. I like when girls have that one. It really looks nice, so I'm just gonna learn how to do it. One good day, of course, not today. Today we just wanna, you know, natural look and whatnot. How is this? I don't know if it even feels like I've put some on here. Okay, I think this is okay. So I want to try like, I don't know which colors to take. Since I'm not really like a makeup guru, basically I'm not a makeup anything. I think I'll go for light colors. Probably something like pinkish, you know, nothing extra to scare people away. Yeah. And is there sort of a way how you put on eyeshadow? Because I'm just gonna do this, you know. I'm taking pink, I guess. I don't know, is there a particular way we, you know, put on the eyeshadow? Or you just put it the way you feel like you should do it? Do you guys see that I have something on, or what's happening? Because oh guys, because okay, it looks like I have something here, but this eye, it's not coming together. It's not coming around. Like, what's happening? And then let's show you guys. Yeah, and there. Guys, the only thing I grew up liking about makeup is lip gloss, lipstick, different color. I never did the whole foundation, whatever things. That's the only thing I really like. Grew up liking putting on different color lipsticks. So I don't know. Does it look like I have some eyeshadow on? Are you feeling it? Ah, guys, excuse me there. Woo, guys. Yeah. Should I scream help, or you are still here? Okay, not bad. Okay, and then I'll take my mascara. People always think like when I put on my mascara I'm wearing lashes, but probably because I have like long eyelashes, so I don't necessarily need mascara sometimes. I mean, I don't necessarily need eyelashes, so. Yes. Okay. Guys, it's so funny to me because I watch a lot of like makeup videos and all that, and like I'm not even there. You know, I haven't even climbed the ladder. I'm still there at the surface. So. Hi guys, just need help with this eyebrows, then I'm good to go. It's a complete look, ne? I guess I'm not that bad. I even have a makeup bag, you know? I'm not that bad. Totally not that bad. Oh yeah, we have to put some blush, you know? I also have some blush here. Comment below what are like your first items, you know, when you decided like, fine, I'm getting into makeup. What are like your first items? Did you buy everything at once, or you like bought, you know, small? Because yeah, I see people put on. basically. Okay, I want to like put on lip stuff. I want to use like the brown eyeliner. I really love that. I've learned it from I've forgotten whose channel I was watching it from, yeah, but on YouTube. Learn how to do the eyeliner thing. Then I take my gloss thing. I take my gloss and yeah, let's see how it goes. And guys, voila! Let me know, what am I missing? How did this, you know, turn out or come out? So yeah, next time we will work on the, you know, eyebrows. But this is, as they say, final look. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my makeup experiment with limited products and whatnot. So yeah, give me a shout out in the comment section below, like this video and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Until next time, stay beautiful.